Images shown have been specifically deemed to not be FSI in order to facilitate development of third-party algorithms. No operational data whatsoever is contained in this video. Hi, welcome to the MLtwist platform demo. My name's David, and I'll be your pilot for today. MLtwist is the industry's only zero-code AI data pipeline, giving you end-to-end AI data pipelines at the click of a button. We support multiple data types, and we're going to run this demo on a 3D format that's popular in the security space called DICOS. Let me show you how much time this saves and how simple it is. First, let's see what data scientists and engineers are up against when they don't have MLtwist. Multiple studies demonstrate that today, data scientists spend over half of their work hours performing data janitorial work to prepare and move data across multiple services to make it ready for AI model training. As you can see here, before MLtwist, the data science teams we work with spent 1 to 3 weeks at a minimum on pre-processing the data in preparation for annotation, 1 to 2 weeks depending on the volume to get the projects up and running in the labeling tool of their choice. Only then is the data ready to be labeled and validated, which is a process that usually takes several weeks as well. Then, once the data is annotated, data science teams can take months in the feedback loop process of measuring quality, sending data files back to the labeling tool when the data is bad, addressing large scale anomalies, and getting the data to a point where it's deemed to be good to go for training. Then they spend another couple of weeks extracting data and getting it into shape where it can be adjusted by the production model, and the rest of their careers being responsible for maintaining that pipeline as things slowly break down over time. It's well known that up to 80% of work is janitorial. Studies have shown that this has a real cost impact. What we're going to walk you through is not just the cost impact, but the impact manual pipelines have on speed and the absolute need for flexibility. Studies recently done have estimated an average of $520,000 lost in efficiencies, and this number increases as companies adopt more and more models, each requiring its own AI data pipeline. MLtwist's goal is to take away all that work so that data scientists can focus on model development and businesses can recoup these large costs. So let's get to the MLtwist UI. Now, I want to warn you at the outset, if this demo is in any way interesting, we failed. Because what we're seeking to do is turn multiple weeks of complex drudgery into simple click. First, you log in and select the data pipeline to use. For the purposes of this demo, we'll point it to our demo DICOS dataset, which is located in Google Cloud Storage. However, that data could also be uploaded from a browser, located in S3, Azure, or any other cloud storage service. Let's look in our internal monitoring tools so we can see what's happening in the background. MLtwist performed a number of critical functions, extracting the data, batching it, formatting it, handling file input format conversion, output conversions, ontology, setting data up in the right labeling tool, and assigning teams to work on it. These are processes that need to be done every single time customers have new data. Within a matter of minutes, MLtwist automated what can take weeks of manual data janitorial work, speeding up model deployment, saving our customers a ton of cost, and freeing up their data science team to focus far more on data quality and their AI model. Okay, back to the UI. You can now see that this data is in the MLtwist platform. We'll go through the platform preparing the data and leveraging our integrations to set it up in the target data labeling tool. From there, labeling experts can get to work without waiting for someone else to set it up. Notice that the data has also been batched up so it can be versioned and managed in ways that, while not native to typical ETL, make far more sense to manage from a data operations point of view. Okay, now we get a sneak peek at what happens when the workforce gets to do their thing. Data labeling can either be done by the customer's own team or through workforce partners fully vetted by the customers and MLtwist, depending on the requirements, like security clearance access to the data. It's important to note that with MLtwist, customers are able to decide key questions like whether to leverage AI powered pre labeling technology through the MLtwist platform, Facebook's segment anything model being a popular example, or do the annotations completely by hand. These have important downstream implications which customers want to be in control of and able to turn on and off. In this demo, MLtwist has sent the data to the labeling tool, which was determined to have the best feature fit for this particular use case. Customers have flexibility on where to send their data, leveraging MLtwist data pipelines to make sure they give their teams access to the right AI data tools for that particular data set. Once data labeling is complete, the labeling team begins the quality control process. The MLtwist UI has automated quality control reports that centralize and simplify this process for the customer. You can see the annotated data in the MLtwist UI, separated into batches for greater human readability and overall data management and versioning. We click on Edit for the first of these batches and specify quality control start. Now, back into our internal pipeline monitoring that's tracking MLtwist pulling data from the labeling tool. From there, The MLtwist platform applies format changes to the JSON, which it got out of the labeling tool, and puts it into the format our customers will use to train their own AI models. MLtwist also applies a quality control adapter for the workforce quality control teams. Let's take a closer look at that quality control adapter. On top of validating JSON formats, a quality control report is generated that provides anomaly reporting for the data batch. Another way to say it is it flags things that look odd. One example is an image or 3D image that has two left arms, two right arms, you get the point. You're looking for where a labeler possibly made a mistake that can be caught in the JSON. MLtwist automates much of this detection, centralizes it, and allows workforces to catch odd mistakes more quickly and comprehensively. Users can also review the modified JSON within the MLtwist platform if desired. When quality control issues are identified, the workforce can make changes and rerun QC, or, if the quality issue is serious enough, restart that entire batch. These are options that are not typically available to users of traditional ETL platforms, which are asynchronous and not designed for the needs of AI datasets being worked on by humans. We have now completed the feedback loop, and we're about to run the QC process to hit the highest quality and accuracy possible. Once quality control is complete, you set the batch to ready and the data is delivered to its final destination where customers can use it to train their AI model. In this case, we're sending it to Google Cloud Storage, but this could be S3 or an MLOps repository. And as you can see, there's no need for manual work. The file got generated, converted, and sent without any human involvement. MLtwist brings so much to the table. It offers end-to-end security by avoiding manual steps which occur on local machines. The data is also protected by cloud at rest encryption. The whole process is automated, allowing for amazing time savings not just in repeatability, but also in avoiding manual data processing errors. No coding knowledge is required to use our platform, meaning operation managers can use it without needing data science support to maintain the flow of data. Customers have said they can now do in 10 minutes what used to take them up to 10 weeks in manual processes. They've used that increase in speed and quality to deliver multiple critical AI models in head to heads and beat their competitors. We even have customers using MLtwist across multiple data types and flowing different data sets to different platforms depending on their data requirements. And we're just getting started. I hope you enjoyed the demo. I didn't call it out, but the same technology that flows DICOS data is the technology that supports images, audio, video, and so much more. We're just getting started, and please stay tuned as we iterate on our mission to automate deploying AI data pipelines at the click of a button.